Welcome to HDFC Securities 5-minute market wrap-up, your weekly guide to all the key events in the equity markets. This edition is for the week ended 10th November 2023. In key macroeconomic news, US Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell said that officials are not sure if rates are high enough to bring the inflation down to 2%. European Central Bank has raised its expectations for Eurozone CPI over the next 12 months to 4% year-on-year, up from 3.5% estimated in August 2023. Fitch Ratings has upgraded India's medium-term GDP growth forecast to 6.2% from 5.5% earlier. China's CPI dropped by 0.2% year-on-year in October 23 after stagnating at 0% in September 2023. Nifty continued its gains from the last week and ended up 200 points this week, or 1%. The mid and small cap indices fared even better. Both the indices were up more than 2% for the week. Among sectoral gainers, Nifty Pharma rose by 4.3%, and the Nifty Realty Index rose by 2.9%. Among key sectoral losers, the Nifty Media was down by 1.5%, whereas the consumer durables and the PSU bank indices were down by about 0.7%. In select market movers during the week, Prince Pipes and Fittings shares rose by 14% after the company reported a profit of 71 crores in the second quarter. Trend shares jumped by 13.4% after the company reported a 56% year-on-year increase in PAT in the second quarter. Among select losers, MTAR Technologies shares were down about 10.7% after the company cut its revenue and EBITDA guidance for FY24. Adani Wilmar shares also fell by 7.7% after reports emerged that the Adani Group is looking to exit its entire 44% stake in the company. Despite the strong rally seen in global and Indian equity markets over the last 2 weeks, FIIs continued to be net sellers, selling rupees 3,105 crores of equities in cash. DIIs, on the other hand, net bought rupees 4,155 crores of equities during the last week. The US markets also continued the rally from the last week. The Nasdaq Composite in particular was sharply higher, closing up by 2.4% during the week. In this section, we discuss select reports published by HDFC Securities. The detailed reports can be accessed on our website, and the links are shown in the presentation. Our retail research team came out with its Diwali pick for somewhat 2080. These are the top 10 picks for our retail research team with an investment horizon till the next Diwali. It is an excellent mix of large, mid, and small cap companies. Do read the detailed report on our website. Our retail research team also came out with a note on Som distilleries and breweries. The company is primarily engaged in production of beer, which accounts for 91% of its revenues. Its core markets are Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, and Odisha. Our team has assigned a base case fair value of rupees 357, valuing the company at 26 times FY25 EPS, and the time horizon for the investment is 2 to 3 quarters. Our institutional research team published a note in Bharat Forge, where the margin recovery seems to be on track. The company's export business grew 21% year-on-year despite the ongoing global challenges. Our team has raised the target price from rupees 1,069 to rupees 1,185 per share. Sundaram Finance continues to deliver a strong all-round performance with higher than expected loan growth and sustained strong margins. The company's strategy for product diversification continues to play out. Our team has raised the target price from rupees 2,715 to rupees 3,500 per share. BSE continues to gain market share with the overall notional market share now at 12%. The company also increased the derivative pricing by 5.2 times as compared to 3 times hike that our team was expecting. Our team has raised the target price from rupees 1,600 to rupees 2,400 per share. That is all for this week. Please do refer to the detailed disclaimer on the screen. Please note, securities discussed is for education and information purposes only. Thank you.